stone waste. This whole corner is basically loose and from now. So with the roof off, that's the time to do it. Obviously we've got a bit of stone work over the other side. So today I've got to build up this whole corner, get this slope of the gable end back on again. This whole corner I've already started this morning. I've been out here since 7 this morning. So I've already done 2 bucket loads of lime mortar. So yeah, I'll start to build this up. So I've still got a time lapse, so I'll get this all built up. All the way through. There was a window here originally, which you'll see. We didn't want the windows type of thing, because this is going to be, eventually it's going to be Oswald and but also need to get these walls built up today. Then we can then start putting start making the ring beam, concrete ring beam that goes over the top, and obviously then start building up the roof. So that's the plan for today. I will show you yesterday. Didn't do much video yesterday. Obviously you see where we put the beams in. I've got the floor down as well, so I've got OSB boarding, tunnel groove style. So that's what that across is. We can walk around up here. And then all day yesterday, line watering in the beams into the actual gable end. Got those done, and then I've got 8 beam. Obviously then got those line watered into the walls there as well. We had the camera crew here yesterday as well. That's for the last of season 3. They did the final video, and hopefully we're going to be on season 4. And my wife just got, hi wife. I'll turn you around so you can see it. She's poking her head up. So yeah, so this is the OSB flooring that we did. So we've got all that. So it's now safe obviously to walk around on, helping us then to obviously build up to the roof. So I'll stick on a time lapse so you can see the wall becoming into shape. So now at the end of the day, it's taken all day to do that. So rebuilt obviously all this side and all this corner. Just got to finish off tomorrow the actual apex of the gable end there, but I need to get a purlin set in first before I can finish off those bits. So stonework is a long process, nothing like brickwork. Definitely took me longer than what I thought it was going to do. I think Mel mixed up probably, how many buckets of muck do you reckon he mixed up? Probably 30 buckets.
No idea, I lost count.
Must have been about 30 buckets. We've done 2.5 bags of lime, and you do a 3-in-1 mix, sand and lime. So yeah, it's quite a bit of mixing up. Good job we got a machine for that. But the worst thing is obviously having to keep lifting it up with the bucket on a rope. So, but anyway, another job ticked off the list. She'll continue and move on to the next one. Catch you soon.